If you're building reusable Angular components, sooner or later you will hit a problem. How do you let users pass custom content inside your component? That's where ng content comes in. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how it works with real example you can use right away. Here we define a simple card component. The important part is this ng content. This is where external content will go. This. So once again, here in app component, anything inside this card component gets projected into that slot. Angular takes this paragraph and renders it exactly where ng content is defined here in component. So instead of hard coding content, your component becomes reusable. And to see that it works, let's open browser. And you can see we have test card, this one, and on place where we have ng content, we have this paragraph. And if we inspect this page to see HTML inspector, we can see the same. We don't have ng content tag here, so it's replaced with this p tag. Okay, this is cool, but things get really powerful when you use multiple content slots. Let's see an example. I will change this template a little bit. I want to have here header and here one section and here one footer. Okay. I will delete this. Okay. And I will add inside of each one ng content. Okay, copy here and also here. And you may ask, what is this select? Here we use the select attribute to target specific element, and instead selector we can write here header, here main, here footer, and here in app component add two paragraphs here, one for header, text for header, and one for footer, okay, because I want that this content from here go inside header, I will add here attribute header, and this will go in footer, so we'll have footer attribute. Okay, and looking this code, you probably see connection between these attributes and this here. Okay, and everything else without attribute will go into the default slot. In our case, will go here in section. And because here we don't have main attribute, then we don't need here this part also. We can delete this. And finally, we can see results in our browser. Refresh. Let's inspect page to make sure. Okay. Inspect here. And we have inside header, we have paragraph. also in section, also in footer, and that means that our content projection working perfect. At the end, I will tell you few more things about ng content. First, ng content doesn't create a new DOM element, just projects content. Second, you can't dynamically add or remove it with conditions like ng-if. And finally, it's purely for projecting content, not for passing data. For that, you still use input property. That will be everything for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.